Hello, I'm Edward and welcome to windowsreport.com. In this video, I will show you how to use the basic features of GIMP. GIMP is a free image editor that works as an alternative to Photoshop and other photo editors. Following, I will present you 7 steps with tips and tricks on how to do basic operations in GIMP. The first one is straighten the horizon. What you have to do is select the measure tool in the toolbox on the left. It's presented as a compass icon. Then what you have to do is click on the horizon of the image and drag the selection box to choose an area. Then you have to go to the tool options, change clipping to crop to result, hit straighten, and then navigate to image or crop to content, as in my case, just cropping the content. The second step is cropping images in GIMP. You can either click on the crop tool or hit the combination Shift+C to select the crop tool. What you have to do now is click and drag the cursor to select the area of the image that you want to crop. In the same time, now we crop the image. As you can see it from the original, you can either save it or continue editing. The next step, modify the photo colors. While having your normal image, you can go click on colors in the toolbar, then choose hue saturation, and then use the slider in saturation to adjust the image colors. The next step, adjust the white balance of your photo. You can do it in 2 ways. You can do it automatically by clicking on colors, then select auto, and then click on white balance. This will automatically correct the white balance of your photo. If you want to do it manually, then you go select colors, click on levels. The best way to do it to your liking is adjust the sliders. The 5th step, reassign shortcuts in GIMP. Click on the edit button, go to keyboard shortcuts, remap the shortcuts keys in the configure keyboard shortcuts dialog window. As you can see here, you can select, like we select the edit button, and then we can assign a new command. I press delete in my case, and then save it, and there you have it. The next step is remove the background of an image. The best way to do it is simply to carve out the object in the foreground with the fuzzy select tool. Sometimes it works, but sometimes it doesn't because you have a lot of elements in the background. But then the easiest way to do it is simply outline the foreground image using the free select tool. So basically we will select the subject as best as we can. And then we go in the edit and select cut, or simply use the Ctrl+X shortcut. We will add a new photo. Once you are on the new image, just click on the edit menu, go to paste as and choose new layer. To smoothen the edges of the new layer, you can go to select and border and then smoothen the selection. The last step is to resize images with no quality loss. You can go to image and then scale image. Here you can input the resolution that you're looking for. Then you choose in the interpolation no halo, so you have the best quality, and then press scale. Now the image is resized and you can simply go to File and save it. If none of this helped you, make sure you read the full article in the description below. And if it did help you, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.